40,000.
Pakyawan.
40,000 isang building.
Ah.
Ipinakumpit ko. Ang cost ng isang building, mga 3.5 billion. Lahat ng plano, pirmado na 50 kami. Okay na yan. Payag na kami. Eto yun, hindi na pwede. Bakit?
Sino yung nagsabi ngayon na hindi pwede?
Republic Act 9184.
Okay.
Kailangan ipabid mo. Bago ka magpabid, kailangan may accreditation.
Pero again,
napakahabang
like here,
So, in our case, just to say that we did not pass through any bidding.
I'm telling you because that's going to be our biggest problem.
It was one of
as a government formation.
Hindi, yung sa amin, we harped on the fact that it was a one-of-a-kind thing. So, government, SUC.
Okay, yung isang one kahit din, Mr. Chan, yung services ninyo.
kahit pa video, walang problema. No, no one will.
No one can replicate.
Okay.
Papaputol ko yung daliri ko kung may pumatay.
But kasi I'm telling you this beforehand.
Siguro na lang, no?
Para maano nyo
Yeah, I understand.
yung
I understand. I understand.
Alam namin yung that's precisely why we had to go through a system wherein we can avoid yung ganung pitfalls.
Two illustrations. Again, I used to be with DOTC and DOT. So, I'm familiar with in 1992, nung bago pa yung CD-ROM, wala pang Google, wala pang Yahoo, wala pang internet dito. Dinigitize ko yung dalawang 30,000 Supreme Court rulings. Put them on compact disk.
Ay, kubag mo yun.
Okay? So, yung fruit of the poison tree, yun yung first na ni Chief Justice Narvasa. Bingo, demo mo sa akin, fruit of the poison tree. That was his first search parameter na hinanap sa database. So, in a matter of seconds, okay, 3 cases found. So, ang point ko is, the Supreme Court, okay, dun sa bidding at saka dun sa study nila, SGB, Sir, Mr. Chief Justice, 15 million to implement this project. Okay? I sold them the CD drive and the 2 compact discs for 77,000. Because there's a better, cheaper, faster way, etc., etc. Okay? So, yung combination of these technologies that I've put together, which yung sinasabi ko nga, what YouTube is doing right now, okay, we were doing in the labs 2 years ago. So, if we say, okay, the features are like this, I don't know if there's anybody that can match. And even if they did, okay, question is delivery. How long will you be, when can you deliver this thing? Okay, so if they're gonna start from scratch, you know, you're looking here at a 5-year head start. So if you're talking about Pinoy's term, 2016 election, whatever, 2013 midterm election, we're ready. The nice thing here really is, it will have a life of its own. PAGCOR is there, let's say, for SUCs. Okay? Sasabihin ng the rest of the community, yung in the city, congressman sasabihin, ganda naman ang nasa SUC. Bakit wala doon sa ibang barangay, etc., etc. Bahala na yung congressman magpondo for the rest of his district or the rest of his province. Pero, yung template galing sa PAGCOR.
Exactly what does that mean? Halimbawa, we pick, let's say, yung UP campus, let's say, in Tacloban, meron sa Tacloban, di ba? O ano ipaprovide natin doon?
Okay. You can start with 40,000 videos. You can start with a high-end server. You can have several access points depending on the configuration of their campus.
Okay.
Several cameras, one per, let's say, department or one per club or something. Because they'll begin to create their own videos. They will realize, bakit kami nood ng nood? Eh, pwede na namin gumawa ng sarili nating videos at sarili nating documentaries. So the package of hardware is up to you. It can be as little as 150 to 100,000 or as much as 300, 400,000.
Okay, so anong realistic figure? 200,000? Is that a realistic figure?
Say 300 to 500.
300, o sige, 500 na for purposes of illustration.
Yeah.
kasama na lahat yan dun sa Tacloban.
Right. Campus.
Sa campus.
Ah.
What? Inapruvahan natin ng what happens. Will they be operational right away? Can they access? Can they
Yes, because
It is
we will
immediately
deliver.
operational.
We will deliver the server in the afternoon. They're using it already.
Personnel.
Ah,
Well, the training, of course.
Training,
lang.
oo.
Sagot natin training, pero tao ng SUC.
Oh,
Yes.
tapos ng SUC.
Tama,
Okay.
SUC.
So I will
Are they ready for that? I mean, will they have...
No, it's a chicken or egg thing. So unless you tell them na this is
We
now
have this,
available,
ito,
will you allow or we will invite X number of professors? They say yes. O sige, ilang professors ang gusto nyo?
Our experience has shown that they will do that.
So professor, sila
They
yung...
will do that. They will have their people attend. Basta
De La Salle,
training na ganun.
La Salette University of Tuguegarao. This is
Sila yung curators?
eventually.
Sila
Kasi
yung mimili kasi content.
kumbaga, here's thousands of videos.
Okay.
They will now
I
say,
get it.
yung sa John Hopkins gagamitin ko, yung sa Stanford wala akong pakialam dyan. Iba
So
yung
it will
pinutuloy.
also depend on the curators from the SUC.
Because they're the
Because
university.
sila yung end
So may
user.
house
Kapari nila yung estudyante
House
nila.
administrator.
Ah,
Kaya
okay.
pipili,
Oo,
anong
oo,
videos na
oo.
kukunin, parang gano'n.
Hindi, kukunin nila lahat, but they will just
Yeah.
redefine
Which videos to
which
be-
ones
Parang-
talaga
It's
gagawin.
like- the term is publishing.
Kasi
There is
Ah.
publishing. So, the network administrator, the SysAd, has access to all 40,000. Sabihin niya, o sino ba nagpa-participate? O science, engineering, etc. etc.
Mm.
Ito yung first curation for engineering. Ito yung first curation for English, etc. etc. O di bahala na kayo dyan. We will now create what we call the virtual classrooms. So, user ID, professor, class list, etc. etc. Tapos, playlist videos, mga learning objects, at saka yung deadlines and timetable.
Tailor fit.
Yes.
I would think that.
Ano yung online ba?
Example.
Naka-online?
Hindi, offline.
Offline lang.
Yes, sure.
Telephone lang sa...
Hindi, stay SUC.
Local lang.
Siliman
Mm.
will have a different
There are different slang.
library or
Yes.
as compared to the north.
Iba yung taste. Iba yung...
Yes.
Ay, agriculture kami. Kabila, walang agriculture. Eh, bakit pipilit sa amin yung agriculture? Pero yun nga.
Yes.
Ikaw pala yung curator.
Tapos
But the entire information is there.
Yeah, it's just a
It's
matter
there.
of picking which will
Yes.
suit your
Paano
needs for this.
yung nag-click ka?
It will just be a form there
Oh,
people to decide on which ones to use.
Like a very specific example would be the Filipino one.
Di ba local lang?
Ay,
Teachers.
Di ba sabi
Yes.
mo local lang? So, paano po
Yes.
nangyari yung mga text
But
ed?
now they have branched out into others. That's why
nag-link,
they
tapos
the university now, di ba?
Mm.
Iba,
Ito,
wala
okay,
kasi
pero
sila.
that's-
Sila,
University
si English sila, di ba?
That's the one dito sa Ayala, no?
Yung dito sa, ano, sa top
Kalaban nila Butchag Buenos
Ah,
na yan.
ah,
Sila
ah.
yun. Sila yun. Sila may-ari.
Ng alin?
Ang Filipino man.
Hindi, gobyerno yun. Ano,
And then yung private,
National Teachers College.
yun.
Sa may, ano, sa
Oo,
may...
sila yun.
So kung halimbawa,
Grabe ka mother ko kasi dyan. Education.
So, nag-branch out na sila.
May Wi-Fi, nandito na sa
process nila. Meron yan.
So, hindi yan nakalink sa...
It will be
Local. So,
Yun nga, so you just be hahanapin na lang nila ano yung talagang gusto
Kailangan
nilang
nila.
gawin.
kinapture niya lahat. Captured.
Everything is stored locally. So, yun ang challenge for the SUC or any learning. Mag-rely tayo sa internet, okay, eh kung down or kung mabagal,
Tsaka
kung
maraming
wala
wala.
tayong budget, sabay-sabay tayo
So
nagda-down
ito independent of that.
Yes.
regardless of your internet connectivity.
Parang nasa unang nakagala sa DHS.
Oo,
Buti
Kuha na sila ng kuha.
Tapos
Kuha
hindi
na
sa
nandun
computer,
na.
lalabas na na ganyan.
Kasi kala ko naka-internet pa.
No.
Pero yung quality ba hindi magbabago over time yung usage?
Digital eh.
Hindi. So, digital, hindi.
Digital na eh.
Hindi parang VHS na nagagasgas.
Digital na eh.
Itong importante, sa hard disk. Sa
So,
hard disk.
kasi panahon mo eh.
Nagiging parang mosaic.
Signal yun, yung signal na, yung signal.
Signal na yun?
Oo, signal yung nagka-square-square.
Ako nag-i-square.
Signal yun.
Hindi, yung square is pixelated.
Pixelated.
Pag yung low quality, tapos may high def na video ka na, mag-i-interpolate na lang dahil wala siyang makuhang information dahil kukunting information ng low definition na lumang VHS. So maglalagay na lang siya ng square. Since we now have HD at saka 3D. Okay, ito yung pinaka basic MP4 because MP4 flows all the way to the mobile phone. If you use
Yun ang
HD, if you use HD tapos mobile phone, ang problema mo is yung storage mo dito. Dalawang videos lang, then kaya sana dalawang
It is true that we're not trying to remove the books, but you will see that pretty soon, eventually, that's where it will be leading to. Kasi, I think it was born out of, bata, dami-dami dalang libro. Sobra.
Hindi kaya yung laptop na talaga ng mga bata.
Magkano na 2,000 yan? 2,000?
Hindi, yun naman kasi kami walang lasag. Just copy the books, pinasa sa laptop.
Bili po nga ako.
So, but in this case, hindi ganun eh. There's always a reference and there's a...
Papasponsor tayo sa
there is
Pakistan
room ngayon for imagination, for creativity, which is what he is trying to impart
kasi yung
nila.
mga outstanding
That is-
students na-recognize na ako. Tapos binigyan mo ako ng tool, ay papakita ko sa inyo yung galing ko kung gagawa ng mga
2,000
leksyon.
yan eh. Kaya namin
Mga ganun eh, di ba? Sa stage.
To a certain extent also, it will help your... If your system of trying to put up the schools is still in progress, it will help that because there might be less demand for the backlog of classrooms.
No, I don't think it will make any difference eh. Kasi ang ina-address namin din primary.
Okay.
It's being used also for the higher learning.
Perhaps yung
Pwede makasama
yung senior high, pwede na dyan.
Yung K-12,
Diba?
yung
4,000, pwede mo na sa
Kasi yun ang isang problema nila yun. Sila po
Saan lalagay?
Sa 2 wifi lang.
Wi-Fi,
Kasi
You answered the question.
physics, chemistry. Ibang ganyan yung graduate ng mga chemistry nagtutupo.
And at saka yun din yung sinabi niya na you've got teachers who are not, you have not studied that field.
Kasi
teaching that
This might be a solution, but I don't know.
Well, we've tried working with that on that level. That's why we first started with FACET. And
Ganun lang
then
ang
we
mura pabibili na.
grew it up to different. Actually, prior to FACET was another one. But purely audio. There was no interaction.
Laruan lang eh.
Actually, dito siguro sabay na yung teacher at estudyante magkaaral ng video eh.
Oh, very
Bago
possible.
Sa,
Very
senior
possible.
high, hindi
What
so,
very
teachers don't realize is because this new media is an enabler for the kids. There's this thing called crowdsourcing. The teachers will realize, ano naman yung mga bata niyan, natitiwala naman ako dyan. O gawin nyo to, gawin nyo to, gawin nyo to. So ibig na yung teacher, siya ang mamimili ng videos, magpe-playlist, magka-cut and paste, mag-i-edit, magre-label, etc. Gagawin project ng mga bata. Ma'am, kami na ang gagawa. So ang teacher ngayon, concentrates on emphasis on any questions, etc. etc.
Saan yung order ng...
Oo, yung sequence.
Sequence.
Diba?
You can imagine kasi ganun.
Since
Dadali pa
how
yung
would you rate the kumbaga yung academic relevance nitong project na to in terms of the whole, I mean, when you rate a system, di ba? Since kung bago siya, how would you rate this? Kasi ang iniisip ko yung efficacy natin as...
Let me answer. You're familiar with the term Web 2.0? Okay, Web 2.0, where you have the platform and users contribute to the platform. Okay, so this in effect is the platform and users, whether it's teachers, mentors, retirees, whoever, contribute. Okay? There are certain key things there. One of the memes and one of the driving forces there is, one is crowdsourcing. Okay? As long as the platform, and we're in control of the platform, and we have the appropriate filters, sige, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Second is play. Okay, so crowdsourcing, play. Right now, it's the book and the lecture. And the most digital that you have is a PowerPoint presentation. Pero pag yung PowerPoint presentation, walang audio, walang narration, pareho parang pinopia ko rin sa Blackboard. Di ba? Pizza pie. Exactly.
Pizza ba?
Eh ngayon, you ask any teacher or professor, multimedia, PowerPoint. Yun yung definition ng multimedia ngayon. Di ba, multimedia. Gagawa ako ng PowerPoint. Okay?
Necessarily. power percentage. Di ba?
Tapos, there's this meme, okay? Di ba may yung record button? Record, di ba? Pag-play, saka record, saka pause. Okay. Record is the new QWERTY. QWERTY is the keyboard. So all of us, we grew up from the typewriter to the PC, okay? Keyboard, QWERTY. That's how we learn. Okay? But now, you have a mobile device. And the simplest way to use your mobile device is to record. Okay? So record is the new QWERTY.
One button.
Oo. Tapos, social media, social learning. Our national problem is we have 500,000 DepEd teachers and another 500,000 private school teachers. How many of them have heard of Web 2.0? How many of them have time to curate and identify, okay, what's useful for classroom purposes? How many of them video? Eh, wala. Nangangatog na. Okay? Pero yung mga bata, ma'am, kami na bahala. Done. So I'll give you, I've been mentoring Capitolio High School students. Capitolio is a public school. Okay? Every weekend, sa Pasig. Okay? So sabi ko, ganito, example, quiz, Rizal movie, downloaded from YouTube. Tapos multiple choice question. Tapos itong tablet na to. Galing! Galing. Pero ano sabi nila? Kaya na kami gagawa ng video namin. Gusto nila, sila mag-reenact ng Rizal. Ibig na papanoorin nila yung movie, sila yung mag-a-act ng Rizal, sila yung mag-upload sa server. So, aaralin, kung ginawa project of the previous year, ito yung result presentation of class 2012. Okay. Pero hanggang chapter 3 lang, next section, pwede nyo namang ituloy up to chapter 6 or whatever.
What it does really is tweak the creativity of students also. So it does not end with the teacher telling the student ito babasahin and then they throw it back to the teacher.
Pero by what standards can this product be rated? I mean, I think yun tanong ko kanina. Kasi of course, we put something into this, we fund this.
Yes.
And then, syempre, gusto naman natin may valor, no?
Anong value sa akin?
Yes. Pati sa academe. I mean,
Yeah. So we'll come up with a measurement. I mean,
yeah.
with the professors. Kasi parang we're doing apples versus oranges right now. Di sabihin na hindi naman pantay yung laban eh. Di ba? Iba yung content nyo, iba yung textbook namin. Hindi, sige. Yung textbook nyo, hahanapin namin yung equivalent video. Deliver nyo yung lecture versus yun sa MIT, deliver nyo yung lecture versus dun sa Harvard, bahala yung estudyante. Ano yung retention mo dito? Ano yung critical analysis mo dito? Ano yung content analysis mo dito? We can come up with that.
Okay, kasi measure, effectivity na...
In fact, yun na nga eh. This is, if you're familiar with Khan Academy, Khan Academy is this guy funded by Microsoft and Google. Bombay, he came up with 3,000 videos na short calculus, algebra lessons. Pero 2-3 minutes each. So, sa Khan Academy, he says, he's flipped the classroom. This has happened in a few California high schools. What used to be homework, gawin sa bahay, is now done in the classroom. What used to be a lecture in the classroom is done via video at home. Nag-flip. Okay, so like let's say now, DepEd, there are 6 schools in Quezon City that are filled to the brim. Wala nang pagsasaksakan ng bata. So there are 10,000 students that have no classroom to go to. What if you had, alternative learning, you go to class or you go to school once a week, gather your videos, this is the activity, upload your videos, this is the activity, this is the feedback.
Yeah, that's... Mahirap ko kasi you're assuming na lahat ng bata meron television sa bahay, may diba? Hindi naman gano'n eh, baka may ikita pa, squatter eh.
Hindi, pero it's
pero
lahat may DVD eh. Lahat may DVD na.
Yung latest
DVD
survey
players
sa
buy.
kampanya, basic household.
Mm.
As the top 3.
Mm.
TV, karaoke.
Karaoke, di na mawawala.
Refrigerator, basta may karaoke.
Exactly. Yun na nga yung pinaka-democratic eh. So, if the librarian says, okay, yung frequently requested video, meron akong 50 kopya niyan na pang DVD use sa bahay. Yun yun.
Paano kaya maganda dyan? Maganda siguro yun, magsabit na lang kayo ng proposal.
Hindi, o tsaka
Sound off na natin kung
Oo, before
sound
they
off na natin
present
si Bob.
to-
Bago tayo maghihirap, di ba? Kung
Mm.
minsan, hindi na natin yung more or less magkaganito costo and ito concept. Diba? This is what we're willing to, di ba? This is what we get in return, di ba?
Yun ang bottom line.
Bago tayo mag-proceed, kasi makakahirap eh. In the end,
Yeah.
wala eh.
And then maybe you can give us a, kung ano, kasi sabihin niya natin, parang subliminal ang penetration namin eh. Diba? Down to the university, so utak ng youth. When does that pay back for us in terms of yung social acceptance ng organization namin?
First year. And
First year?
yeah, you know, if based on some, we'll do a questionnaire or something, okay, the effectivity, tapos yun na, donated by PAGCOR or brought to you by PAGCOR. Diba? Ibang klaseng GOCC pala.
With the accent on amusement rather than gaming.
And of course, you know very well that the religious sector is at large.
Absolutely.
Yun lang ang gusto namin i-neutralize.
Hmm.
All the other
Hindi, yun na nga eh. So, when you say the religious sector, okay,